Okay, so we're jumping into editing now, and what we're going to be looking at is specifically the line modes in this particular video. Now, eventually, we're going to have this entire full height backsplash or vertical surface edited, but I'm going to take this time to show a couple of the other tools. So all of your line tools are actually lined up here. It's possible that you don't have this tool currently in the version that you have. If you do, you can always call support and we can help you out with that. Or you can email in as well to support@fifthgeartech.com. That should be able to help us out. Or you can email directly to kevin@fifthgeartech.com or yoshi@fifthgeartech.com. Either one of us should be able to help you out if you are missing something. In that case, what we're going to be doing is looking at what these do. Okay, so these are the four main that you may use. You have your freehand line, if you will. Basically, if you select this, you can touch anywhere in space or on a snap point, if you will. You can see it snapping to the points and have it touch anything that you want it to touch, basically. So if you need to connect the dots, you can use that, right? This one is the parallel distance. Really, what this is going to be used for is going to be your offsetting. In this case, we'll do a couple of offsets around here. I'll do it, a little bit larger than you normally would for visibility's sake. We'll just do 1 inch so it's nice and clear. So I hit 1 inch up here and I accept that. I choose the line that I want to offset and then I choose its direction. So in this case, I'll go in an inch. Clearly, you wouldn't do an inch, for a full height backsplash inset, but again, visibility's sake, that's what we're going to be doing. So I'll go ahead and just inset a couple of these and we'll work with that. All right. So now I've hit escape and I've left the tool. If you do want to, you can get rid of the originals. You can simply just click on them like so. And you can hit delete if you have a physical keyboard, or you can click this button here and it will remove the originals and you can delete them that way. The other one here is actually going to be a perpendicular line. Now this one can be interesting. I'm going to show a little bit of an angled line here just to kind of explain this tool. You have a perpendicular line based off of the line that you click to go perpendicular from. So what that means is you don't need to rotate your drawing in any way. You can simply just go 90 degrees from wherever the object is. So for example, if I click this and I want to go 90 degrees from this top, I just simply click it and I'm stuck 90 degrees. I can no longer be not 90 from that edge there. So I could snap this to this point if I wanted to, or to this point and straighten this line out. You see how there's a clear lean to that line. We can straighten that out if you want, or you can click anywhere else and then parallel from that if you really wanted to work with it in a specific way. Going back to the perpendicular line, it's perpendicular from the object. I simply click the object itself. You see I'm stuck now 90 to this line, so I could connect it to this point or whatever it is I want it to. It's 90 from the original object that's clicked. And that's basically line to a point or to another line, pretty much. So that being said, the last line you may look at is a true level line, or a horizontal line, if you will. Now, you saw in the full height backsplash video, we took 1 point for the bottom. We're going to be using the line horizontal tool here to go ahead and just snap it to that point there. Now, this line is level, but so is the original construction plane that you used when you were creating the vertical surface when you did this. So that is playing on the level of the plane as well as a true level across. That's what you want to do, so that way you don't end up with a crooked line at the bottom, which would then rotate the entire drawing or piece as you put it in. You don't want that to happen.